Now let us talk about estimation to the nearest hundred by rounding off. If I take a number 438 and I have to round off this number to the nearest hundred place. So I'll look at the digit at tens place. It is 3. Now 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Then there will be no change at 100 place digit. It will remain same, and rest digits after 4, rest all the digits after 4 will become 0, 0. If I talk about 587 and I have to round off this number again at 100 place, I look at the digit at tens place. It is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So the digit at 100 place will be rounded up by 1. That is 5 becomes 6, and rest all the digits will become 0, 0. Now estimation to the nearest thousand by rounding off. 4387. 4387. As I have to round off this number to the nearest thousand place, I'll check the digit at 100 place. Now it is 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So there will be no change at 1000 place. It will remain same, and rest all the digits will become 0, 0 and 0. Now take one more example. 5829. As I have to round off the digit at 1000 place, I look at the digit at 100 place. Now 8 is greater than 5. So the digit at 1000 place will be rounded up, that is 5 will become 6, and rest all the digits will become 0, 0 and 0. Now I am going to start exercise 1.3. Our first question is estimate each of the following using general rule. आपको estimate करना है बेटा by using general rule. Now what general rule says? First look at these two numbers. Two numbers have same number of digits. That means we can round it off at 100 place. We can round off both the numbers at 100 place. So first 730 will be rounded off at 100 place, which is equals to, now 730. I have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So I'll check the digit at tens place. As 3 is less than 5, there will be no change at 100 place, and 730 will be rounded off to 700. Next number is 998. Again rounded off at 100 place, which is equals to, look at 998. The digit at tens place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So the digit at 100 place will be rounded up. So 9 will become 10. Rest all the digits will become 0, 0. That means 998 will be rounded off to 1000. So now add both the numbers. What will get? 1700. That is your answer. B part. B is difference. 796 minus 340. Again 796 will be rounded off at 100 place because both numbers have same number of digits. So both the numbers can be rounded off to nearest 100. 796. Look at the digit at tens place. It is 9, which is 9 is greater than 5. So the digit at 100 place will be rounded up. That means 7 will become 8, and rest 2 digits will become 0, 0. Now 314. Rounded off to 300. The rule is same. Subtract both the number and you will get 500. Now C part. 12,904 plus 2,888. $12,904. Now what general rule says? This number has 4 digits and this has 5 digits. Now if I have in general rule says ki round off both the numbers at same places. Now as this number has 4 digits, I'll round off both the numbers at 1000 place. Both the numbers at 1000 place. So 1000 place पे इनका राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, right? Here at 100 place we have 9, so 1000 place digit will be rounded up. So 1 3 0 0 0, 2888. This number will also be rounded off to the nearest 1000 place. अभी हमें क्या करना है, 100 place का digit we have to look at. So it is 8 is greater than 5. So this place digit will be rounded up. That is 2 will become 3 and 0 0 0. The sum is 16,000. This is your answer. Okay. Now D part you will do yourself of question number 1. Now look at question number 2. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So A part is, I'm going to do first with nearest 100. 439, 334, 4317. 439 will be rounded off to 400. Why? Because at 100 place we have to round off and I have to look at the digit at tens place. It is 3 is less than 5. There will be no change at 100 place and 434 will remain same as it is. 4 and rest the 2 digits after 4 they will become 0 0. 334. बेटा आपको 334 को राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा टेंस डिजिट को, टेंस प्लेस डिजिट को. इट इज 3 इज लेस देन 5. देयर विल बी नो चेंज एट 100 प्लेस. So 3 will remain as it is and rest 2 digits will become 0 0. Now 4317. Again we have to round off this at 100 place. I'll check the digit at tens place. It is 1. 1 is again less than 5. There will be no change at 100 place digit. 4300. Now add them up. 0 0 0 5. So the sum is 5000. Now in the same way you will round off this number to the nearest tens. So again I'll write 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Now I have to round off this number to the nearest tens place, tens. So I'll check the digit at ones place. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So this place will be rounded up. 440. Next 334 at tens place. So it will become 330 as the digit at ones place is 4, which is less than 5. So there will be no change at tens place. Next is 4317. It will become 4320. So 0, 4 plus 3, 7 to 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 and 3, 10, and this is 5. So the rest, all the parts you will do yourself. That is your homework. Complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1.3. This is your homework. Complete question 1 and 2 of exercise 1.3.